Hello, children. I hope you are preparing for your board exams. So, I will start with the Arabic portion. Chapter number 1, Ad-Dars Al-Awwal. Chapter number 1. Okay. يقضي سعيد إجازته في الدراسة. Saeed is spending his holidays in studying. أنا سعيد أحمد أنا سعيد أحمد كنت في إجازة من المدرسة I was having a holiday from the school طلبت من والدي الإذن I asked from my father permission حتى أذهب إلى بيت صديقي محمد لمذاكرة so I can go to my friend's home to my friend Muhammad's home for the revision I asked permission from my father to go to my friend Muhammad's home for the revision. قال والدي, my father said, يمكن أن تذهب, it is possible that you go, ولكن ينبغي أن تأخذ معك كل الأدوات الكتابية اللازمة وكذلك الكتب. But it is essential for you that you take all your learning essentials with you and your books. ينبغي أن تذاكر الدروس مع صديقك وألا تلعب كثيرا and it is essential for you that you revise your chapters with your friend and you don't play much. الامتحان قريب the examination is near ويلزم أيضا and it is important also أن تأخذ معك الفطائر والسندويشات ولك أن تقاسمها مع صديقك محمد that you take with you breakfast, sandwiches and that you divide, share with your friend Muhammad. تقاسم means divide or share. So according to the situation, we can say that you share with your friend Muhammad. قالت والدتي, my mother said, لقد أعدت لك بعض الفطائر والكعكة. I prepared for you some breakfast items and cake. وهل تريد أن تأخذ معك زمزمية الماء أيضا? And do you want also to take with you a bottle of water? قال سعيد, Saeed said, لا يا أمي, no, O my mother, لا آخذ الزمزمية ولا آخذ الطعام. I will not take the water bottle nor I will take the food. Neither I will take the water bottle nor I will take the food. في بيت محمد in Muhammad's home يوجد الماء البارد والنظيف. Clean and cold water is available. عندهم ثلاجة كبيرة. They have a big refrigerator also. So children, here you can see these words you can utilize in Mausuf and Sifat also. Al-Barid, for example, this is one adjective, cold, An-Nazif, clean, Kabira, big. These adjectives can be used further in the Mausuf and Sifat compilation. So these Sifat can be used, I will teach you later according to Mudhakkar and Muannas, right? So for any muannas wording you have to use ta marbuta and for any muzakkar wording you have to use a normal without ta marbuta, right? So we go further with the translation. First we will finish the translation and one by one we will focus on different portions. I mean different segments of the chapters. Here we will continue. سوف آخذ معي فقط فطائر الجبنة لأن محمدا يحبها والأشياء الأخرى غير ضرورية. I will take with me only sandwiches made up of cheese sandwiches, you can say. I will take with me only cheese sandwiches because Muhammad likes it and also other things are غير ضرورية, non-essential. Other things are not necessary. وذلك لأن والدة محمد تقدم لنا أكلات كثيرة because Muhammad's mother prepares for us different food items, lots of food items. كثيرة, lots of. أكلات, food items. خلال ساعات المذاكرة وبعدها, during the revision hours and after that as well. So Muhammad's mother prepares for us a lot of food during our revision hours and after that as well. وفوق ذلك يؤلمهم إن أخذت معي الأكلات, and more than that, on top of that, it makes them sad if I'll take my food items with me. هم أناس طيبون ويحبون الضيوف. They are nice people and they like الضيوف, they like the guests. Okay. كنت في طريقي إلى بيت محمد إذ لاقيت نبيلا. I was on the way to Muhammad's home when I met Nabil. قال نبيل, Nabil said, أين تذهب يا سعيد? Where are you going, O Saeed? وأنا في طريقي إليك لنذاكر الدروس معا. And I was on the way towards you so we can revise the chapters together. قلت, I said, تأخرت, you got late, ولم تبلغني مقدما بذلك, and you did not reach me earlier. فلا بأس, but don't worry. فلماذا لا تأتي معي? Why don't you come with me? نذهب سويا إلى بيت محمد. We will go together to Muhammad's home. فقال Nabil said, من محمد هذا? Which Muhammad is this? قلت, I said, هو صديقي. He is my friend. أأنت لا تعرفه هو من الصف الثامن. Don't you know that he is from grade 8? Muhammadun waladun zaki. Muhammad is a wise boy, is an intelligent boy. So again, this zaki can be used as sifat, adjective, for the Mausuf and Sifat compilation. You can use as waladun zaki, or you can use as rajulun zaki. Okay, we will continue with the translation. سوف يساعدنا في فهم الدروس ويحل لنا الأسئلة الصعبة. He will help us in understanding of the chapters, and also he will make us easy difficult questions. Al-as'ilat as-sa'ba, difficult questions. Again, Mausuf Sifat. And you can see very clearly here, Mausuf and Sifat both will be equal in terms of compilation. If ta marbuta is there in Mausuf, then ta marbuta will be there in Sifat. If alif lam is there in Mausuf, then alif lam will be there in Sifat. Except the names. If anybody's name is there, then definitely alif lam will not be entered on the names. Okay. Again, we will continue with the translation. إنه يرحب بك أيضا. He will welcome you also, inshallah, if the God wills. هو صديق لي حميم. He is my good friend, he is my best friend. قال Nabil said, أتفق معك. I agree with you. تذكرت الآن, I remember now. هو ذلك الولد الطويل الذي يجيد أيضا لعبة كرة القدم. He is a tall boy and he is very good also in football games. كرة القدم, football. قلت, I said, نعم, yes. قال Nabil said, أعرفه جيدا. I know him very well. ويعرفني أيضا, and he knows me also as well. لا بأس. Don't worry. نذهب إلى بيته. We will go to his home. Now children, one more thing I will show you. For example, this type of damir is coming and which is merged with the noun. This is called zamir muttasil. Okay. And if you see here, huwa, this damir is separate. So it will be called damir munfasil. Okay. And which is merged, it is called damir muttasil. Okay. Here I will write for your remembrance. I am writing in English so you remember easily, because this learning is specially for the people who are learning Arabic as their second or third language. so it will become easier for you, inshallah. Next paragraph. توجه سعيد ونبيل إلى بيت محمد. Saeed and Nabil went to Muhammad's home. كان محمد في انتظار سعيد. Muhammad was waiting for Saeed. سعيد محمد عندما رأى سعيدا ورحب به ورحب بنبيل أيضا. Muhammad got happy. Saida, Muhammad got happy when he saw Saeed and he welcomed him. Also, he welcomed Nabil. توجه الجميع إلى غرفة دراسة محمد. They all went to study room of Muhammad. They all went to Muhammad's study room بعد أن سلم على والدي محمد, after they greeted the parents of Muhammad. After they greeted parents of Muhammad. درس الجميع لحوالي ساعتين. All of them learnt approximately around for 2 hours. Okay, لحوالي ساعتين for 2 hours. They all studied for 2 hours. قدمت لهم والدة محمد الحلويات والفواكه واللبن وغيرها. And Muhammad's mother prepared for them sweets, fruits, laban, milk, and etc. More than that. بعد ذلك لعب الثلاثة لمدة قصيرة في حديقة البيت. After that, 3 of them played for a shorter while in the garden of the house. بعد الانتهاء من ذلك, and after finishing that, رجع سعيد ونبيل إلى بيتهما. Saeed and Nabil came back to their homes. Here the translation got over, and for Tamarin, for the exercises, I have prepared the Word document. I will explain to you. Children, here we will continue with the exercises. Here you can see the exercises. Tamarin means exercises. صرف الأفعال التالية مع ذكر معنى كل صيغة. You have to transform the following verbs into different format. For example, أخذ, this is فعل ماضي. You can make it as يأخذ. I have written the answers down. You can take the screenshot. You can read whatever is convenient to you. توجه, it will be transformed to يتوجه. And one more thing here you can remember, for fi'al mudara we have certain indications. In the beginning there will be ya, ta, alif or noon. But sometimes you see, for example, this ta, tawajjaha. This ta is in the formation of the word. This can be enhanced or this can be learnt once you enhance your vocabulary, right? So tawajjaha will become yatawajjahu. Yuqasim will become qasama. Yudhakir will become zakara. Sa'ada will become yusa'idu. Further, you can see you have to make sentences from the following words. Qala at-talibu al-haq. Okay. Qala is fi'al mudakkar, mazi. With this you can use at-talib, al-walad, al-rajul, any singular muzakkar you can use. Okay, yuballighuna, this is plural. So here you can see yuballighuna means giving the parcel. Okay, giving the shipment. So they are giving the shipment, they are giving the parcel, ar-risala, of the letters, bi amana, with honesty. Yusa'idna, they are helping. They are helping. These are actually this verb is for female. مؤنث, غائب, جمع, يساعدنا. So here you can see I have written والدة hinna, their mother. They are helping their mother في المنزل, in the home. Okay, in the house. Ariftu means I know. So this is fi'al madi and this is mutakallim. So ariftu al-ijabata sahiha, I know the correct answers, or you can write here ariftu الأسئلة الصحيحة الإجابة الصحيحة. You can remember any easy word for you. Okay, just remember the formation. What is what is fi'al madi, what is fi'al muzara, what is fitting where. This formation you have to remember. Further I will explain grammar part in the upcoming videos. Okay, qaddaman, this is also muannas but غايب, and also this is jama. So قدما نصيحة قيمة. They have presented a beautiful advice, a precious advice. قيمة is precious. Further, you can see in the third segment, you have to make 10 sentences and you have to mention some good attributes of yourself, about yourself in jumla fi'aliya. What is the point to be noted? Fil jumla fi'aliya. You have to make jumla fi'aliya. Jumla fi'aliya is the jumla which is starting with fi'al, with verb. It could be mazi, it could be muzara. So they haven't written mazi or mudara. Madi is past and mudara is present. So you can make any 10 sentences which are having fi'al, okay, starting with fi'al. So here I have written, you can see, يتحلى الإنسان بالصدق في كلامه. So يتحلى is fi'al mudara, so it will become jumla fi'aliyya. Okay, and I have 1 minute. I will highlight for you so you can remember the sentence formation. Okay. يلتزم الطالب الصدق. The student is always remembering his healthy habit of speaking the truth. So this is also starting with jumla fi'aliya. So it will become jumla fi'aliya. It is starting with the verb fi'al. So it will become jumla fi'aliya. Further you can see أردت أن أذهب إلى بيت جدتي. This is also jumla fi'aliya because it is starting with fi'al. أردت. Okay, I hope it is clear. It is helpful. You give me your suggestions, your feedback in the comment section so I can improve further, and also I will upload another chapter in a while. Okay, see you then. Take care.